Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by physically connecting and verifying the Xbox controller so BeamNG can read real input. Once connected, install or update official Xbox drivers and use Windows Gamepad Tester to confirm axes and buttons respond. Then launch BeamNG and immediately open options, right arrow controls to enable controller input, and pick a base profile. This first step ensures the game receives X input signals. Without that, mapping and calibration won't work, so make sure the OS-level device shows active before continuing. Once the controller is detected, map core driving inputs: left stick for steering, right stick or triggers for throttle and brake, bumpers for gear or view changes. Then tune dead zones and sensitivity so small stick noise doesn't move the car. Start with a 0, 5 to 0. 12 dead zone and adjust sensitivity until steering feels natural. If you need finer control, duplicate the controller JSON in the user configs folder and edit axes scaling or button names. This lets you iterate quickly without losing the original profile. Finish by testing your setup across vehicles and speeds. Start slow to verify steering curves, then raise speed to confirm stability. Once satisfied, save a named controller profile and export or back up the edited JSON so you can restore it later. If the controller fails to work at this stage, restart BeamNG and the PC, check that Windows reports an X input device, reinstall drivers, and try running the game as administrator. These steps fix most detection and permission issues quickly so you can get back to driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.